If you constantly feel overwhelmed, soft, or easily broken by life, this is your wake-up call. Here's how to rebuild inner strength before the world breaks you. Step 1. Stop outsourcing your stability. You are not built to depend on validation. Not from likes, not from strangers, not even from people you love. The more your peace depends on something external, the more fragile you become. Stop outsourcing. Turn inward. Ask, what remains when everything leaves? That's your core. That's your power. Protect it like your life depends on it, because it does. Step 2. Kill comfort before it kills you. Comfort is addictive. It disguises itself as freedom, but what it really offers is numbness. You don't grow in comfort. You stall. You shrink. Train yourself to choose the harder thing on purpose. Wake up early, not because it's trendy, but because your will is stronger than your bed. Say no to things that steal your energy. Move toward resistance, because growth never hides in ease, it hides in effort. Step 3. Install a code stronger than emotion. You cannot rebuild your life on how you feel. Feelings are waves. Your code is the anchor. Choose 3 rules, stick to them like law. Example, I do what I say, I finish what I start, I don't run when it gets hard. When emotions scream, your code speaks louder. That's how you become unbreakable. Not by being emotionless, but by building something stronger underneath. Most people spend life trying to feel good, but those who rebuild their strength, they aim to become good, regardless of how they feel. And when the world hits, they don't fall apart. They rise.